In today's video, I will teach you how to import and use Lightroom presets in Photoshop. Let's get started. Lightroom presets cannot be directly imported into Photoshop, but you can still use them by applying them in Adobe Camera Raw, which functions similarly to Lightroom. And here's how you can import and use your Lightroom presets in Photoshop. First, we're going to convert Lightroom presets for use in Photoshop. Lightroom presets use the XMP file format, which is compatible with Adobe Camera Raw, the raw editing tool in Photoshop. First, we're going to locate your Lightroom presets. To do this, open Lightroom, then go to the Develop module. In the Presets panel, right-click on any preset and select Show in Finder in Mac or Show in Explorer in Windows. The folder will contain the XMP files, which are the presets that you need. Now we're going to copy the presets to the ACR folder. Simply navigate to this location and paste the XMP files into this folder. Now close and reopen Photoshop to ensure Adobe Camera Raw detects the newly added presets. Now we're going to apply the presets in Photoshop. Once the presets are in Adobe Camera Raw, you can apply them to any image. If it's a RAW file, the Adobe Camera Raw will open automatically. And if it's a JPEG or PNG, open it in Photoshop, then go to Filter, then Camera Raw Filter. Now click on the presets icon on the right panel or simply press Shift-P and you should see the imported Lightroom presets listed. And to apply the preset, click on any preset to apply it instantly. Then adjust the sliders if needed to refine the look. Then click OK to apply the changes. This will bring the edited image back into Photoshop, where you can continue further adjustments. Now you can use your favorite Lightroom presets right inside Photoshop through Adobe Camera Raw. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.